Right now am at a petrol station along EDSA, and I'm about to get some air in these tires. The recommended PSI, I believe, for this Nami electric scooter is 50 PSI. I'm gonna set it right here and try and get some air down them. Maybe I'll set it to 48. Well, we managed to get it to 46 PSI. I wouldn't go exactly to 48, even though the tires are recommended at 50. Thank you. Bruh, I only got 500 pesos. I want to give Kuya a tip because I don't have to get my hands dirty. I'm going to go buy some water inside Shell and then give him a nice little tip. As it's Christmas. Are the caps on? Yep, cap is on. And cap is on here too. Wow. The PSI was really low on the tires before. It's a good thing I pumped them. Oh yeah, now this thing can cruise for days. Also, battery consumption performance should be much better as the tires are way more inflated and the scooter can roll for a much further distance. Alright, let's just pull up here. Why don't I park it there? Okay, I'll park it on the side here. There we are. Thank you, boss. Oh, push. Alright, where's Kuya at? Need to give him a little tip for helping us out. Hello, sir. Thank you for helping me inflate those tires. There you go, sir. You're welcome. Thank you. Alrighty, the plan for today's video is to go on a little bit of a roadie, not too far. I'm planning to go all the way to Mall of Asia and back, which is about, I think, around 10 to 12 kilometers from where I am. I just kind of want to do a little bit of distance on this scooter as we've been kind of like stuck during Christmas and on Christmas Eve. And today, I'm hoping it doesn't rain. It looks like blue skies, but there are a few build-up of heavy, thick clouds. But to get to Mall of Asia, all we got to do is follow EDSA all the way down. So join me on this little roadie. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of vlogging while I'm driving along EDSA, so this is probably going to be one of very few clips until I make it to Mall of Asia, because as you know, EDSA is very, very busy and rammed with traffic, and I probably need to focus on the road. So I'll update you in intervals where we are, if I come across anything interesting. Alright, I've just reached a portion of EDSA Road, I should say, where there's this huge overpass bridge that goes over a number of motorways. I thought I could pass underneath it, but it looks like I can't without having to use some staircase to go over the other roads. And I don't really want to lug this up the staircase. So I think I got to make a U-turn, go back around, and then make another U-turn, and then go over this bridge to carry on going along EDSA to get to Mall of Asia. I guess it's part of the learning process of getting to know the roads. Well, we've made it on top of the bridge, but thankfully there's a lot of traffic build up here, so we're not doing considerable speed. But I do want to point out really bad... Oh my god. I think those metal plates have been in place there for about, I don't know, a good 3 months already. Right, so we've made it almost here to Mall of Asia. Look, there's that famous globe in the center of the roundabout over there. And it's been one hell of a ride, yeah. I've had to make a lot of U-turns going down EDSA because I took the wrong, basically, fork in the road, and that took me off EDSA. Anyway, we're here at a stoplight. We've got another 110 seconds until the red turns into a green. I wonder if I can cheat the system and I turn right here and then make a left and then turn right over there. Let's see if I can do that under 90 seconds. Oh, frick yeah. So I've managed to do that successfully in probably 30 seconds. So I've just saved myself another 60. Yeah, let's go. Woo! To Mall of Asia we go, folks. Hello. Well, folks, we've made it to the area of Mall of Asia, Pasay in particular, or is it Parañaque? I think it's still Pasay. And we've done it with only 15% battery consumption. Now, I think we could have done it with about 10 or 11% battery consumption, but I ended up taking so many wrong turns along EDSA. But anyway, it was raining earlier, that's why I'm under here, and it looks like the rain has stopped, thankfully. So I should be able to get back on my scooter very quickly and head over to the Bay Area to catch sunset. But I'm standing underneath a very beautiful condominium called the Monarch Park Suites from Anchorland. Never heard of them, but they've got beautiful plants and trees lining the sides here, as well as a neoclassical facade and pillars supporting the condominium. I ended up actually passing Mall of Asia and going all the way to Solaire to try and get to the bay, but you can't access it because security will tell you to go the other way. But I just want to comment on how beautifully paved with tarmac these roads are in the Pasay area. If you ever wanted to go for a rip on an electric scooter, e-bike or skateboard, this place would be it, especially if you wanted to go as quick as possible and just do laps around here. This is the place to do it. Hello sir, how do you do? Well, here we are, mission success folks. We've made it to Mall of Asia. This is the Bay Area that I wanted to come to, but you know what? I just want to point out that the scenery has changed quite a bit. What I'm seeing right now in front of me is huge amounts of excavated earth that has been dumped in front of the Bay Area. It blocks the view over the shoreline. So everybody beyond this point here onwards has a view of that, which is not the best. So the only section that isn't blocked is this portion here onwards from the left. Wow, the sun has just come out now, and I'm just strolling my scooter along the Bay Area for a little bit and taking in the views before we maybe head down to, what's it called, Manila Bay? Yeah, next to Rizal Park. Look at that. This is cool. This is awesome. The ability for me to be able to go anywhere now in Metro Manila with this scooter is epic. It's really unlocked a lot of doors for me to be able to just jump on and go anywhere I like. I feel free as a bird with this. The turnout here at Mall of Asia is unreal. There's so many people that are here. Oh, no way. I've just followed the road round from Mall of Asia and I've ended up at SM Shore Residences, I believe. Yeah, I've stayed here previously on the channel. That's so cool. I didn't know they were so interconnected like that. You just literally follow this path down and you get here. And it's only like a 2 to 3 minute zip on the scooter. And I was going at pretty slow speeds as well. I wonder if we carry on going in this direction, where we'll end up. Most likely, Dolomite Beach in Manila, or Rizal Park. Finally, the name came to mind. Oh, security, security, security. Hello, sir. Hello, how do you do? Afternoon. No vlogging, right?
No vlogging.
No vlogging? Okay, sorry. See you. Are you okay, ma'am? There you go, keep it change. Did you want the water? Maybe you can rinse your knee. Shush, man. It might sting, but I don't know if you should apply water or not. I wish I had tissue. Just care for your socks, because they're gonna get wet and drenched. But they'll dry up. How did you fall? Was it somewhere here?
Yeah, there was a car that went there and beeped at me.
Oh, he beeped at you?
And I went here to the corner, but
I came all the way from BGC on this.
I'm from Malabon.
Where's that?
It's near Bulacan.
Oh my god, that's far. How many kilometers is that? 30? Wow. You're brave. You're very, very brave. Yeah, you should be good. You're welcome. Do you have enough water there? Yeah? You got... Okay. Take care, man. Safe travels. All the best.
Tagalog?
Yeah, a little bit.
Don't think that. Where from?
I'm from the UK.
UK?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Filipino.
In Manila?
Yeah.
This your horse and chariot? Oh well, we made it to the entrance of Manila Bay Walk Dolomite Beach. Oh, you can't go in with a scooter. Oh. Alright, behind me is the famous iconic statue of Mr. Rizal. Folks, we've had quite an adventure today. We've covered probably, I think, in the region of about 20 to 25 kilometers in today's video. It's going to take me another maybe 15 to 20 kilometers to get back to BGC. I don't know if I should wrap up today's video here or wrap it up in the usual place underneath One Uptown. But there is a night market along the side here that we might check out briefly. Let's see what they got there. Welcome to Mercadillo. I smell great aromas emanating from the market. Can somebody please explain why there's so many people that have turned out today at Rizal Park on the 26th of December? I don't get it. Why are there so many people out here today? There's more people out here today than there are people on Independence Day. Yes, when I was here in Rizal Park on Independence Day, there's hardly anybody out, but then the weather was really trashy when I was there, so maybe that could explain it. But a lot of people have come here to look at the fountains. So apparently there is no special reason as to why everybody is out here in Rizal Park. Everybody just seems to be out at this moment in time, I guess watching the fountains, playing around, doing TikTok dances, and having picnics with family and friends. How interesting that is. It's not usually this rammed. Really. Alrighty. I've now got the arduous task to go all the way back from Rizal Park to BGC while it's rush hour. I think the time is around about 6 p.m. And like I promised in the video, I'm gonna wrap it up there. There we go, folks. We made it back to BGC. What would usually take about an hour to 2 hours to get from Mall of Asia to here took me about 30 minutes on the e-scooter. And so folks, I'm gonna wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's tour around Metro Manila on this thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye from now. Bye from now? Bye for now.